Lady's sleeping, she comes, yeah, she kind of like got her dress a little bit, then went back a little bit and kind of got like this right here. She gets up immediately and goes, bah, and the lady just goes
in the face.
Yeah, bro.
I got this.
Oh, what do we have here? She knocked out a McDonald's employee over a Big Mac. Thank you guys for tuning in, and without further ado, let's get it.
An instant report of the food. That's the.
You're in possession of a firearm?
On September 12, 2025, Miami police officers got a call about an assault at McDonald's over an order.
That's an employee?
My body, I believe I'm having a reaction.
So it's been 2 hours.
So you assaulted somebody over a Big Mac? A Big Mac must have got some in it, you know? Damn.
Because I was in court.
Okay, I understand that.
I couldn't come back. I came back after court to bring back and to make an incident report. I was there asking them, can I have an incident report for this mishap because I'm not.
Hold on, is the lady right there by the door with the EMS right there?
And the lady was like, oh no, you have to go to the hospital. I said, no, I'm asking if you make an incident report of this.
So how can fire rescue help you then?
To check me because I'm shaking, I haven't eaten, I ate that, my mouth started hurting, my stomach is hurting real bad. That's why I brought it back. And as I was sitting there next to those people,
what the fuck?
She just came out of nowhere and swept my feet. I got up. I didn't mean to push her. I'm already like shaking. When I went toward her, asking her what happened, my hand went like that, and she fell like went back. She tripped back and fell. And everybody came out. Oh, what happened? Why did you do that? Why did you do that? And I didn't say anything because I didn't mean to do that. I'm already having a medical emergency. You know, I didn't mean to do that, you know, and now I feel like everything is trying to be turned down on me when I originally called for help, you know, and they already didn't want to help me when it was their mistake of giving me the wrong food that I'm allergic to, or possibly allergic to because I'm having a medical emergency, and now because this happened to her, everybody is seeing her, and I just could be. I don't know what.
I mean, she's on the ground. You're standing up talking. So obviously the person that's on the ground is probably always going to get the medical attention, right? Or am I wrong for that? I don't know.
Right now, I feel discriminated on. I'm hearing all these people.
Well, you need to get on the ground and act like you was knocked out. Because obviously you're talking and you're in good sense and good health and good mind.
About being discriminated on.
Over a $10 meal. A $10 meal.
You're talking normally fine. You're talking 100%.
That's what I'm saying.
I understand.
I didn't eat. They gave me the wrong food that I didn't order.
Did you take a bite out of it?
Take a bite of it,
Yes,
right?
I did.
Shit, you ate it then.
It was at 9:30.
Okay, so it's 9:30. That's 3 hours. That's 4 hours.
Yes, and I was
So
in
if you would
court.
have had an medical emergency, it would have happened in court.
My mouth was hurting and my stomach
I
was
understand
hurting
that.
while I was.
But if you
Did you take anything? Because I've seen breakouts. My daughter's broken out from certain foods and it's immediate. 4 hours, she's probably going to be in critical condition.
would have been having like an allergic reaction, it would have happened at court.
Right,
And
but I
you
don't
would have.
know because.
But you're speaking fine to us was what we're worried about. We'll check you out, but just letting you know, okay? As far as that, it's 4 hours ago. You would have, if a medical emergency would have happened 20, 30 minutes, or even right on the spot of eating that one bite.
Facts. Like, what? What are we talking about?
Well, I
So,
am
we're gonna
borderline
check you out,
diabetic,
but-
you know what I'm saying? And
You're
I'm
what?
shaking, borderline diabetic, and I'm shaking here.
Okay, we're
You
gonna
know
check
what
you
I'm
out
saying?
because
I feel like you're borderline bullshit.
Like,
you're throwing a lot, you're throwing everything at us. So we'll check you out, okay?
But I,
If you can, just sit on the wall right there. There you go. Are you gonna let him check you out now?
You let me check you out? You let me take your sugar? Yes? Okay.
Sir, no. You can't come right through here. There's an issue coming. You gotta pay attention.
And you understand that diabetes has nothing to do with the allergic reaction.
I don't know where's.
She trying to get out of putting this lady on her back. That's what it is.
know what I'm having is a series of things happening.
It sounds like a lot of anxiety to me, like anxiousness about
Yeah.
the situation more than a medical.
Yeah, because 4 hours later is crazy. You feel me?
I mean, your sugar's perfect. It's actually It's actually on the normal, perfect, absolutely can't be any more perfect than that. I wouldn't even say you were borderline diabetic. If you haven't eaten that long, it wouldn't be anything close to that.
Numbers are probably better than mine. I haven't seen or spoken anything to them. Excuse me, by chance, you know how old the lady is inside the car?
65? You put your hands on a senior citizen, a 65-year-old, bro, working at McDonald's? She needs something to do, or she might got bills to pay. You put your hands on a 65-year-old? Go to hell. With gasoline draws. Respectfully.
Good. What she said was she was.
Oh my God.
Hit her feet and she got up like this. It was not intentional at all. But then other people were saying no.
Hold on, I was talking.
She said was she was sweeping and hit her feet and she got up like this. It was not intentional at all. But then other people were saying no, she pushed.
She pushed her.
Yeah. Get CC first.
Let's wait. Huh?
Get CC first.
All right, just stand by.
I got this. I got this. You do that.
You gotta be a sick son of a to put your hands on an elderly person. Kids and elderly people. Why do people feel the need to have to put their hands on them or abuse them? I would never understand that. Cause me personally, if I see it, I'm gonna slap the dog out you. Like open hand, backhand, side hand, karate chop. Cause why? All people should be off limits in kids. I don't understand that shit.
Let's use our head. You feel me? If you can't got it, so you know you're obstructing everything now. Let's use our head.
You have ID, ma'am? You have ID?
Officer, honestly, I really did not mean to do it. It probably looked like it had when I got up, because she was so close to me. I got up to ask her what she was doing, and my hands.
It ain't no excuses for that shit.
And she went back and fell, and how I got up.
Look at that little girl. Her eyes buck as hell.
What she was doing is like this. It probably looked like I was. I really didn't mean to do it.
I heard what you had to say. We have a witness stating something. We heard what she had to say, and now we're looking at video cameras, so we're gonna go from there. There's always multiple sides to every story.
But I still need an incident report of the food. That's the whole reason I came. I don't even know how it turned into this with this lady.
There's no really incident report to be made off of food.
You was hangry.
Yes, because I didn't order that. And
okay, that's something for you to go ahead with them.
Yes, that's what I was trying to do, and they didn't want to do an incident report, and I need an incident report. And that's why I called the police for them to come and for me to get an incident report and have fire rescue to check me out too, because like I said, I was.
And that man just checked you and he said your shit was perfect.
Taken, but now that I know that it's not no other stuff, I am hungry and I'm going for anxiety.
Yeah.
Love divorce court.
See her sweeping stuff accidentally touched her. She gets up to me and slaps her with the left hand. The lady falls.
Oh, you can't be doing that.
Immediately.
That's what it is.
Yeah. Ma'am, do me a favor, okay? Just put everything down.
Remove your purse, please. Take your purse over
Your
here.
purse, okay? What were you in court for?
Divorce.
Divorce? Okay, I need you to turn around for me.
We see why.
Oh my God.
Step
Do
forward.
not resist, okay?
Step forward.
Just turn around. Just turn around. Do not resist, okay?
Can I tell the person I'm going to jail?
They're in the hospital, ma'am.
Okay, walk this way. You're being trespassed, he said.
I'm being trespassed?
Not only are you being trespassed from the property, you're being arrested for battery. Go ahead, have a seat. You have anything else on your purses we need to know about?
On my person?
Yeah, on your purses. Are you hiding anything in your garments, anything like that? No.
Did you see the video?
No.
The lady sweeping. He has the video. The lady sweeping. She comes. Yeah, she kind of got her dress a little bit, then went back a little bit and kind of got like this right here. She gets up immediately and goes, bah, and the lady just goes
In the face?
Yeah, bro. Look at it right there. Fast forward. Let me see.
No Wi-Fi. There's no one.
Whoa. Yeah, your ass going to jail. You done.
Whoa. Wow.
That's the game.
Damn. You're in possession
Bad
of a
boys.
firearm? And you went to the courthouse with a firearm?
What? That's wild. Why the would you go with that?
Excuse me? Which one? He did not take it off. We turned. No, unfortunately, you're mistaken. We both turned it on. It was on mute, and we turned it on because we were speaking amongst ourselves. But when we found the money in the envelope, we turned it on and we stopped talking about the incident. How much money do you have so we can count it? And we're going to count it in front of you, just so you know. Of all cameras and in front of yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 1,000. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That is 2,000.
You got 2,000 in your wallet, your purse, and you tripping over a $10 order, baby? When you could have been in a fine restaurant. Oh, hell no.
Now, unfortunately, this amount of money cannot go to the jail, so it is going to be impounded into the police department as your personal items, as well as the firearm, which we're going to have to check it, make sure it's not stolen or anything, and also double check to see if you're able to carry a firearm, since you just advised me earlier that you were arrested. Was it a felony charge that you were arrested? No? A misdemeanor charge is still not allowed to carry a firearm, or they are? Yeah. They are? Okay, so we're going to have to look into that as well.
We got more money, ma'am.
Damn.
She has her concealed.
Okay, that's perfect.
She
That's
has
good.
2 of them. 2032. This is concealed weapons and security, I think, right?
Have 2 bags for me.
Can somebody call my kid's father and tell him?
Right now, we cannot do that. If you want an incident,
I ain't gonna lie. If I'm the husband, I'm gonna definitely use this as court. Like, see, this is why we get a divorce right now.
to us coming out here because you came into the issue that you had a wrong order done, we'll give you an incident number, but there's no report. Nothing criminal occurred. Nothing criminal occurred.
I wanted an incident
Okay.
report. I didn't come here.
The woman was charged with aggravated battery on a person 65 or older. Police report shows she in fact did not have an allergic reaction to the food. Please like and subscribe.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. And that's it, baby. We out.